3/8-inch drive torque wrench with both inch-pounds and foot-pound scales offers the most versatility for all-around use. An inch-pound scale is ideal for smaller fasteners, precision tightening, and applications where low torque values are required. It is commonly used for assembling bikes, repairing electronics, or installing delicate components. A foot-pound scale is suitable for larger fasteners, automotive work, and general-purpose tightening. It is commonly used for wheel lug nuts, suspension components, and torquing bolts to specified values. Having a torque wrench with both scales eliminates the need to purchase separate wrenches for different applications. It allows you to easily switch between scales depending on the torque value required. Look for torque wrenches with a calibration certificate or guarantee of accuracy. Consider wrenches with a breakover mechanism that provides a clear and audible click when the desired torque is reached. Choose models with durable construction and high-quality materials to ensure longevity and reliability. A 3/8-inch drive is a good size for general use, offering a balance of strength and versatility. Some torque wrenches have expandable drive heads that allow you to use different sizes of sockets or adapters. Wrenches with interchangeable heads provide the flexibility to swap out heads for different drive sizes or specific tasks. Consider wrenches with a generous warranty to ensure peace of mind and long-term reliability. When selecting a torque wrench, firstly consider the range of torque values you'll commonly be working with. Ensure that the wrench's scales cover those ranges adequately. Secondly, prioritize accuracy. Look for wrenches that come with a calibration certificate or a guarantee of accuracy from the manufacturer. This ensures that the torque readings you're getting are reliable and precise. Thirdly, think about the type of work you'll be doing most frequently. If you're primarily working on small engines or delicate components, an inch-pound torque wrench may be more suitable. On the other hand, if you're dealing with larger fasteners or automotive applications, a foot-pound torque wrench might be the better choice. Fourthly, consider the ease of use and ergonomics of the wrench. Look for features like a comfortable grip, clear markings on the scale, and a smooth ratcheting mechanism. A wrench that's easy to handle and operate will help you work more efficiently and accurately. Fifthly, check for additional features that could enhance the wrench's versatility. Some torque wrenches come with interchangeable heads, allowing you to use different socket sizes or adapters. Others have a flex head design, which can be useful for reaching fasteners in tight spaces. Sixthly, pay attention to the build quality and materials used in the wrench's construction. Look for durable materials like hardened steel or chrome vanadium, which can withstand the rigors of regular use. A well-built torque wrench will last longer and provide more consistent performance over time. Seventhly, consider the reputation and warranty offered by the manufacturer. A reputable brand is more likely to stand behind its products and offer reliable customer support. A generous warranty can provide peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any defects or issues. Eighthly, read reviews and ratings from other users before making your decision. This can provide valuable insights into the wrench's performance, durability, and overall user experience. Pay attention to both positive and negative feedback to get a balanced perspective. Ninthly, don't be afraid to invest in a higher quality torque wrench if your budget allows. While cheaper options may seem appealing, they often lack the accuracy, durability, and features of more expensive models. A good quality torque wrench is a worthwhile investment that can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Tenthly, remember to properly maintain and calibrate your torque wrench regularly. Over time, the wrench's accuracy can drift due to wear and tear. Calibration ensures that the torque readings remain accurate and reliable. Store the wrench in a clean, dry place and avoid dropping or mishandling it, as this can damage its internal components. By considering these factors, you can choose the right torque wrench for your needs and ensure that you're tightening fasteners to the correct specifications every time. A torque wrench with both inch-pound and foot-pound scales offers unparalleled versatility. Inch-pound scales excel in applications requiring precision tightening and low torque values, such as assembling electronics or delicate components. Foot-pound scales are ideal for larger fasteners and general-purpose tightening tasks commonly found in automotive work or securing wheel lug nuts. The ability to switch between scales eliminates the need for multiple wrenches, saving space and money. When selecting a torque wrench, accuracy and reliability are paramount. Look for wrenches with calibration certificates or guarantees from the manufacturer, ensuring precise torque readings. Consider models with a breakover mechanism that provides a clear audible click when the desired torque is reached, preventing over-tightening. Opt for wrenches with durable construction and high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. A 3/8-inch drive size strikes a balance between strength and versatility, suitable for a wide range of tasks. Expandable drive heads allow for the use of different socket sizes or adapters, further enhancing versatility. Wrenches with interchangeable heads provide the flexibility to swap out heads for specific tasks or drive sizes. A generous warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring long-term reliability and protection against defect. Before purchasing, research different brands and models to find a torque wrench that meets your specific needs and budget. Consider factors such as torque range, accuracy, ease of use, and warranty coverage. Read reviews and compare prices to make an informed decision. Remember to properly maintain your torque wrench by storing it in a clean, dry place and avoiding dropping or mishandling it. Regularly calibrate the wrench to ensure accurate torque readings over time. With the right torque wrench, you can confidently tackle a variety of tightening tasks with precision and efficiency. The importance of proper torque application cannot be overstated. Over-tightening fasteners can lead to stripped threads, damaged components, and potential safety hazards. Under-tightening fasteners can result in loose connections, vibrations, and eventual failure. Using a torque wrench ensures that fasteners are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque values, preventing these issues and ensuring optimal performance and reliability. When working on critical systems or components, such as brakes, suspension, or engine parts, it is essential to consult the manufacturer's service manual for the correct torque specifications. Always double-check the torque settings before tightening any fastener, and use a calibrated torque wrench to achieve accurate results. In addition to torque wrenches, there are other tools and techniques that can be used to ensure proper tightening. Torque sticks, for example, are commonly used for tightening wheel lug nuts to a specific torque value. These extensions are designed to flex when the desired torque is reached, preventing over-tightening. Angle meters can be used to tighten fasteners to a specific angle after reaching a certain torque value. This method is often used for cylinder head bolts or other critical fasteners that require precise tightening. Regardless of the tools or techniques used, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for proper torque application. This will help to ensure the safety, reliability, and longevity of the equipment or system being worked on. Ultimately, the choice between an inch-pound and foot-pound torque wrench depends on the specific applications and torque ranges you anticipate working with. However, a torque wrench with both scales offers the greatest versatility and convenience, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tightening tasks with confidence. When selecting a torque wrench, prioritize accuracy, reliability, and durability. Choose a model with the features and specifications that best suit your needs, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and maintenance. With the right torque wrench and proper technique, you can achieve accurate and consistent tightening results, ensuring the safety and performance of your equipment or system. Understanding torque units is crucial when working with torque wrenches. Torque is a rotational force that measures the tendency of a force to cause rotation about an axis. In the imperial system, torque is commonly measured in foot-pounds, often abbreviated as foot-pounds, and inch-pounds, abbreviated as inch-pounds. 1 foot-pound is the amount of torque required to apply 1 pound of force at a distance of 1 foot from the axis of rotation. Similarly, 1 inch-pound is the amount of torque required to apply 1 pound of force at a distance of 1 inch from the axis of rotation. To convert between foot-pounds and inch-pounds, you can use the following relationships. 1 foot-pound is equal to 12 inch-pounds. Conversely, 1 inch-pound is equal to 0.833 foot-pounds. These conversion factors can be useful when working with torque specifications that are given in different units than your torque wrench is calibrated to. For example, if a torque specification is given in foot-pounds but your torque wrench is calibrated in inch-pounds, you can multiply the foot-pound value by 12 to convert it to inch-pounds. Similarly, if a torque specification is given in inch-pounds but your torque wrench is calibrated in foot-pounds, you can divide the inch-pound value by 12 to convert it to foot-pounds. It's important to note that torque specifications are often provided by manufacturers to ensure proper tightening of fasteners. These specifications are based on factors such as the size, material, and application of the fastener. Following torque specifications is crucial for preventing over-tightening or under-tightening, which can lead to component failure or safety hazards. When using a torque wrench, it's important to set the torque value accurately according to the manufacturer's specifications. Most torque wrenches have a scale or dial that allows you to adjust the torque setting. Make sure to read the scale carefully and set the torque value to the correct setting. Once the torque wrench is set, apply the wrench to the fastener and tighten it until the wrench clicks or releases, indicating that the desired torque has been reached. Avoid over-tightening the fastener, as this can damage the fastener or the component it is attached to. Always use a calibrated torque wrench to ensure accurate torque readings. Torque wrenches can lose their accuracy over time due to wear and tear. Calibration involves comparing the torque wrench's readings to a known standard and adjusting it as needed to ensure accuracy. Regular calibration is essential for maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrench. In addition to foot-pounds and inch-pounds, torque can also be measured in other units, such as Newton meters, often abbreviated as Newton-m. Newton meters are the standard unit of torque in the metric system. 1 Newton meter is the amount of torque required to apply 1 Newton of force at a distance of 1 meter from the axis of rotation. To convert between foot-pounds and Newton meters, you can use the following relationships. 1 foot-pound is equal to approximately 1.356 Newton meters. Conversely, 1 Newton meter is equal to approximately 0.738 foot-pounds. These conversion factors can be useful when working with torque specifications that are given in metric units. Understanding the different units of torque and how to convert between them is essential for working with torque wrenches and following torque specifications. Always use the correct units and conversions to ensure accurate tightening of fasteners and prevent component failure. Torque wrenches are precision tools that require careful handling and maintenance to ensure accurate and reliable performance. Firstly, always store your torque wrench in a clean, dry place when not in use. Avoid storing it in a toolbox with other tools that could damage it. Secondly, never use a torque wrench as a breaker bar or to loosen fasteners. Torque wrenches are designed for tightening fasteners to a specific torque value, not for breaking them loose. Thirdly, avoid exceeding the torque range of your torque wrench. Overloading a torque wrench can damage its internal components and affect its accuracy. Fourthly, clean your torque wrench regularly with a clean, dry cloth. Avoid using solvents or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the wrench's finish. Fifthly, lubricate your torque wrench periodically with a light oil or grease. This will help to keep the wrench's internal components moving smoothly and prevent corrosion. Sixthly, have your torque wrench calibrated regularly by a qualified technician. Calibration ensures that your torque wrench is providing accurate torque readings. Seventhly, always release the tension on your torque wrench after each use. This will help to prolong the life of the wrench's internal components. Eighthly, avoid dropping or mishandling your torque wrench. Dropping a torque wrench can damage its internal components and affect its accuracy. Ninthly, inspect your torque wrench regularly for any signs of damage or wear. If you notice any damage, have the wrench repaired or replaced. Tenthly, follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and maintenance of your torque wrench. The manufacturer's instructions will provide valuable information on how to use and care for your torque wrench. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that your torque wrench provides accurate and reliable performance for many years to come. Torque wrenches are essential tools for any mechanic, technician, or DIY enthusiast who works on machinery, equipment, or vehicles. By understanding the principles of torque and using a torque wrench properly, you can ensure that fasteners are tightened to the correct specifications, preventing component failure and ensuring safety.